Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Solana is now, Solana is now testing the 78.6 fib level of our support area. Yeah, people asked, what's going on with the markets? Well, first of all, we're still holding support, even though we slightly broke below it. But basically, the bulls showed up around the 78.6 fib level. Dangerous market at the moment. The market has priced in Trump's tariffs. I mean, I'm not sure if you heard about it. I guess you have, but I don't think everybody has. I saw it in the comments on YouTube in the previous videos. Therefore, I made a post on X. Beijing, will impose broad export controls starting November the 1st. Now, that can change. They did that before, right? And then suddenly things changed again. Trump fired back with 100% tariffs on all Chinese imports. Yeah, effective the same day. So again, there's more going on. Feel free to check it out. It's everywhere on the news and social media. But that's the catalyst, right? There's an event that triggered a sell-off, and the market is panicking, and that shapes sentiment. Now, it's important to understand that the pattern we talked about before is still valid. Yeah, this as a B wave corrective pullback, but obviously the correction is very, very deep, and really there is not much more room left. So hopefully this sell-off is slowing down in this region. The daily chart, if we look at the relative strength index for Solana, we are now even below the September low with the RSI. I mentioned it the last time when that happened. Yeah, we saw regularly when that happened, 4-hour chart way oversold. We saw a significant bounce. So also from end of September to the October highs. Within a couple of weeks, it bounced 25%. The same happened here again in August. The same happened in June. Yeah, so we are there again. Can I promise you that we turn around? No, but in the past, this has been an interesting position, right? It's just been an interesting trade location. But obviously, the market at the moment is dangerous, and I would not do this with any leverage trades, right? Normally, you don't need to leverage in crypto anyway because these charts are already so volatile. So we'll pay close attention to this. But you read about horror stories everywhere because people are leveraged or even over leveraged, and then the stop losses don't trigger during such a sell-off. It is really, really, really dangerous. So that's why I typically don't trade with leverage. Yeah. But I'm just saying we're still holding support. This scenario that we're tracking technically has room all the way down to this line, which is located at $156.50. So if we break below it, that opens the door to more bearish scenarios, potentially even a larger 5-wave move down. And you can say, or you could say that once we break below this red line that I just showed you, the 5-wave decline becomes much more probable. For now, I think we have to just see where the market settles and slows down, which is why I don't really want to dive into nanostructures. It doesn't really make any sense at the moment when the market is moving so fast. When the market is settled, slow it down a little bit, then we can start to watch for reversal signals to the upside. For now, we have a pullback into the support area. White count is valid. Yes, it's fast. It's scary. I know that. Parameters still holding for now. But all I want to say, don't focus so much on the micro right now. The market is getting oversold, and ideally we see a bounce next week or even already over the weekend. But for now, nothing has slowed down really. So we'll see. I'll stay very close to this. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also check out our X channel for further updates. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.